Hi, my name is ANANTHA Raj. I am from Miraloda, Telangana. My qualification is B.TECH in a stream of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning from Sandeep University, Nasik. I have joined the Pyspiders in a month of January and I have chosen the course Python Full Stack. And about my trainers are Muhammad Rafiq sir for Python, Reshma ma'am and Shiva sir for Web Technologies, and for SQL, Gagandeep sir has trained me. And about my mocks and grooming sessions, they have taken my mocks to refine me and to build confidence for an interview. And about HR, they pushed me for requirements, and I have placed in a company